Hi everyone! Before you spend money on a new console, try this simple PlayStation 4 repair. In this video I will show you how to replace hard drive step by step. First I remove the top cover of the console. Next I unscrew the screw that secures the drive and slide out the entire drive tray. Now I remove the 4 screws that hold the drive in place. I take out the old drive and install a new one. As you can see, it's very easy to do it yourself. Now I secure the new drive, slide the tray back into the PlayStation. The only thing left to do is install the system software using a flash drive. I download the reinstallation file from the Sony PlayStation website. After downloading the file, I create PS4 folder and subfolder called Update and place the file here. I plug the flash drive containing the file into the console and press and hold the start button. As you can see, the installation has started. Now I am just waiting until the end. As you saw, the whole process was not complicated. If this video helped you fix your PlayStation 4, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy repair tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next repair tutorial.